Is your HiSense Roku TV screen constantly flickering, flashing, or randomly blinking while watching something? You are not alone, and in today's video, I will show you the best fixes to stop the flickering and get your TV working normally again. So first, try a cold boot or power cycle. Start by unplugging your TV completely from the wall outlet. So while the TV is unplugged, find the physical power button on TV itself, usually underneath the center or right side of the frame. So then you have to press and hold it for about 30 seconds. And after that, leave the TV unplugged for at least 5 minutes so any leftover power inside the TV can fully drain out. Now plug the TV back in and turn it on. Then check if the flickering issue is gone. Next, I think we have to check that our HDMI connection, because a loose cable or bad HDMI port can often cause screen flickering issues. So start by unplugging all HDMI cable from the back of your TV. Then inspect each cable for any visible damage, bends, or frayed spots. Now firmly plug the cable back in and make sure they are fully connected. You can also try a different HDMI port on your TV to see if one of the ports is causing the problem. And if you're using an HDMI splitter or switcher, try connecting your device directly to the TV instead, since the splitter may be causing the flickering issue. You can also try by force restart your HiSense Roku TV using a remote shortcut. So here's the button sequence. Press the home button 5 times, up button once, then press the rewind button 2 times, and finally press fast forward 2 times. And see, your TV may freeze for a few seconds, then it will automatically restart itself, and once it turns back on, check if the flickering issue is fixed. As a last resort, you can also try a factory reset to rule out any deep software issue. But keep in mind, a factory reset will erase all your apps, settings, and saved data. So your TV will go back to its original setup screen like brand new. So for reset, you have to find the small reset button on the back of your HiSense Roku TV and just press and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. So after doing this, your problem may fix and you can set up your TV right after that. I hope any of this process fixed your issue. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix269 till the end.